All right. Oh man, we're back at it again with another game. This time, I made 110% sure that all my recording stuff is on point. I have it on my second monitor, so I see that it's recording. I check to make sure that there's a second layer of audio for my mic that's also recording. So everything is good. Let's try and beat this game now. I kind of want to try to beat this game because like I said, I love puzzle games. It's just that this has some horror elements to it that I just don't vibe with, and it puts me back here. Gosh, it's fine. Yeah, it smells like those creatures because those creatures are probably here. I kind of want to go that way, but I kind of don't. I don't like the noises that everything is making. It's not my cup of tea. So I'm sure I get right here, and it keeps going. So I had to do that to kind of turn. I had to turn things on and off in accordance to whatever. Which is fine. Last time I got scared at this point because I was pretty sure something had saw me. I don't know. If something jumps out, then screw it, you know? Alright, because sadly. Oops. Nope. What are you doing? Why did you push me this way? I don't. Whatever. Alright, so. Like that. I lock into place, turn you off, turn you on. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? You're supposed to push me along that way. You keep pushing me along this way and it doesn't make sense. I hate this. There. I'm fully locked in. Turn you off. No, let's do it. Alright. For whatever reason, I can't go that way. Alright, fine. If I can't go that way, I'll just go this way. Got some food. I'm good to go. Let's do this. We're gonna go this way. And I'm saving, which isn't good. Anytime it saves, it's usually because something's gonna happen. Although it would be pretty cool if I was getting chased. Not that I would enjoy it in the slightest, but... like that. Does that mean they could get me? Uh-huh. Considered ending just then, but okay. Ah. Oh, how I hate this. Alright. We'll stop it there. I'm not getting off. Onward. Away from this place. Oh, well, looking at it caused me to go insane? Is that what's happening? I think that's what's happening. Yep. So looking at it caused me to go insane. Nope, not looking at it. So I'm just gonna jump out through in this hallway. I'm on top of this box. You can't get me. I'm invincible. Is this a dead end? This is a dead end. Why'd I come over here? Take me back. Take me. I don't like this at all. Just don't get off the platform and everything will be fine. I hate these. What is... I hate these noises, damn it! I hate it. It's so annoying. Alright. It's fine. It's fine. Just remember my platform's green. So... that's... we get out of here. Just stay under the radar. I swear, if something jumps up... we're good. We're good. Let nothing come out. Let nothing jump out. Let nothing jump out. Alright. I'm out. Even though nothing has improved, it's just a little bit better. But now... could it be a trap? Ha. Alright. We gotta only move along direction lines. We anticipate. I was about to. Alright, so this looks like a pretty much straightforward puzzle with just broken platforms. I can handle this. I got this. Alright, too easy. Alright, cool. Cool. Broken platforms just means they lead to different sections by falling. Alright, so I kind of don't want to fall down there, but hey, I just might have to. I might not have a choice in the matter. I don't want to fall down there, though. That is a choice I will be making entirely on my own volition. If that's the correct term. Alright, so go down here. Watch the corners. I watch the corners like I'm actually gonna be able to do something. I'm gonna open up that door. Oh, how powerful is this gonna be? Hold up. Oh. Alright. But there is a problem, because now I didn't see a way I could get back. I can't jump with this. I had to come down here to get that. So that just means... Oh, wait, what if... There we go. Oh, come on, really? Alright, let's put this here. Huh. Alright. What if? What if? Did I get myself stuck already? Hold up. No. Am I stupid? I have an idea. I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but I do have an idea. Alright. That did just about as much as I expected it to. What if I did this? Dang it. Alright. What else we got in this place? Alright. So each side has its own polarity thing. nothing under here. Go up the stairs. There's nothing but this door and these wonderful texts. Nothing else. I gotta break the glass somehow. If I can break the glass, I can get out of here. That's not. I'm missing something. There's something I'm missing. It's a key. It's a key thing I'm not thinking about, and I'm missing it. So what is it? So what am I missing? Okay, it's like that box. Okay. It's like the box I had before. So now... Alright, whatever, fine. I was hoping that it would be like that, but whatever. I'll do this instead. I kind of wanted to break the glass, alright? I'm not gonna lie. Alright. So now we're getting somewhere. So I can put this here. And I can pull that without me having to do anything. But since it's both red, it doesn't push it any further. Huh. Alright. That's what it is. Okay. I think, at least. I don't know. Let's try this. Sweet. Alright. That did it. But now... Gosh dang it. Alright, hold on. So I'll need this. Give it. That's... No, I'm stupid. 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 No. So I need that to push it to there, so that I could push to there, and that would create the gap I need to jump. So with that, I didn't see that there was a box over here. So now with that, I could do this, make this whatever color I want. I get back over here. Pretty much do the same thing. What? Nothing better be in here. With that, make you red. Pointless. Is this pointless? No. Okay. There we go. I thought there was like a secret path I could go, but What the heck? Oh gosh. Alright. Just don't deal with any monsters. We're good. We're good. We're golden. Alright. See, I don't like that those test tubes are the things those are what contain the monsters. See, I picked up on that instantly. He did too, so. Alright. Oh, I can't go any further. Really? It's like right there. Oh, heck no. You want me to go down there? With this music going? No. No. Nope. I think we're done. I think we're done for today. That's 20 minutes. Alright. Hope you all enjoyed this Ray Chitty piece. Yep. 100% sure.